Welcome to ReShoot 360 tutorials. Today, we will see the photo filter spiral. Before starting, select a 360 photo or a 360 video you would like to edit. Now, select the preset photo. Select the type of social network you target. For example, select the preset Instagram. Select the photo filter spiral. You can see a preview of your final photo and you can modify some parameters of the filter. Each parameter can be modified with the slider and more precisely with buttons plus and minus. Spiral type parameter defines the type of spiral. You can try to change it and see how it changes your photo. Spiral tiles parameter allows to increase the number of spirals. Spiral rotation modifies the rotation of the spiral. Spiral zoom changes slightly the zoom factor so you can adjust with the borders of the photo. Now, you can export the final photo by using the button in the top right corner. Your photo is saved on your device in the album ReShoot 360. You will find even more options to edit your 360 media with the editor. Thank you for watching and have a good day.